Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Safari could not open the page. So how to fix if you want to open Safari page but with this type of error. So how to fix, first of all go back your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi to good. At least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the 30 seconds you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then scroll down and search for this Safari app. Click on Safari app and from here scroll down and click on clear history and website data. Click on this and click on clear history, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed then go back your home screen and open your again iPhone and iPad setting. Scroll down, then click on journal, then click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on automatically toggle, and after that go back, scroll down, then click on transfer reset iPhone, then click on reset, then click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode. After reset network setting, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.